Hey gang, thanks for tuning in to your review channel, and today we're looking at the F11 Pro drone. Got this in the mail and I purchased this myself. I'm getting into drones, as you know, and I wanted to try some different drones, and this one here looks very interesting. Okay, so first thing, it's quite robust. It's actually quite a large package here. It comes in a nice bag, just so you know. So if you've never seen how I've never seen how these were packaged before. It's my first experience doing the unboxing of this specific product. So it comes with a bag that's like a zip bag, like a Ziploc bag, and open it up, and it comes in a cool looking case. And if you like the smell of new electronics, this definitely has it. So I love the smell of new electronics. So that's the so let's put this bag over here. And here is the actual case itself. Let's take a look at that. So it does come in a nice case. I do like that. It has a handle and it is zippered. So let's open this up and take a look at that. So far the experience has been good. I do like the presentation of this a lot. So let's open this up. Okay, I like this. It's a very nice case. I like this actually quite a bit. Actually, it's very impressive looking out of the box. So let's take a quick look at what's in the package here. So we have some information in this little Ziploc pouch here. You can put some extra batteries in here maybe. Let's see what's in here. So we have instructions, user manual. I definitely recommend doing that. After the sale, some information, some support. We have it's like a USB-C charging cable, looks like to me. Maybe two of them. Maybe one's for the battery, one's for the remote. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to look at that as well. Put that over there. So let's take a look at the drone itself. Let's take a look at all the components, what we have here. So we do have a controller. And I'm sure you've seen these online. There's different types of this controller here. Again, this is my first time with this type of controller. Open this up like this. Open it up like that. And this is where your phone goes. Right on top here. So speaking of phones, let's see. I have the new iPhone Pro Max 14. Let's see if that fits. I don't think it's going to fit. Okay, so that definitely does not fit my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So it does not fit my iPhone 14 Pro Max at all. So that is first problem. So you're going to have a smaller phone. Unfortunately, that does not fit my phone. Let's see here. There's a power button here, which it is charged. You can see comes charged. Shut that down. Let's see how you shut that off. Let's see. Hold that down. Yep. USB-C charger in the back here. Looks like USB. Yep, USB-C. Just look at the back of the controller here. The side knobs here. You have the control knobs here. The actually, this feels actually really good and smooth. I like that a lot. The controllers itself. These are made of plastic, so it doesn't hold the phone, so that is a bummer. So if you have a smaller phone, it should be okay, but with my phone, it won't work, so I'll have to figure that out. And take a look at the drone itself. So the drone itself, if you've flown some smaller drone, this is a beefy looking drone, okay? Compared to I've had some DJI, I had the DJI Mini 2, which is really small. This is beefy. Let's pull this out here. Pull this out here. Pull out the back ones. All right. This is huge. This is a big drone, guys. Just so you know, really beefy looking, big, and looks heavy. So I tell you, be very, very careful flying this drone. It could hurt you, so just be careful. These propellers are pretty big. Just be very careful. The camera is, like you see here at the bottom. Okay, that is in the bottom of the drone right here. It's controlled. It's got two landing feet here, and in the back, a little buffers here where it sits. So it sits like that, so you can see it. Okay. Let's take a look at the battery. Battery pops out here. It's got two sides you just press together, like this here, and then opens and closes the battery. You do have an extra battery, so it gives you two batteries, which is nice. It gives you like an hour, I think roughly an hour, like 30 minutes each one. Everything here is heavy and bulky, but that's just the way they design this drone. Let's see if there's any power in this. Okay, so there is 3/4 of a power. Shut that down. I shut that down. Okay, so that takes care of that. Let's see what else we have here. Those are the cables, and here are some extra blades. So here are the extra blades, and probably the tools and things like that. So that's what's in here, blades. So we'll just keep that in the package for now. So quick impressions, just to leave you with this, okay? To me, it's very big and bulky, but it's really kind of cool looking. So, you know, especially sometimes the DJIs are so small you can't see it. This here you're not going to be able to miss. This is huge. So when you first calibrate this, you have to turn it 3 times this way. You have to do all that, and then you have to go upside down. You have to turn it this way, and what that does basically, it calibrates the compass inside the unit so it knows where it's at. It has GPS navigation, as well as you can use your phone if you want to. I guess you don't have to use your phone if you don't want to. So that's pretty much how that works. Do I like it? Yes. Is it big? Yes. It is huge. I mean, just look at the instructions real quick. So there's a couple different ways of using this. You can use it with GPS or without GPS. Like I said, it didn't work with my phone. Phone just doesn't fit here, just so you know. So what you want to do, a quick setup, is just turn power on of the drone. Turn the power on of your remote control. Okay, it'll start syncing it. As you can see here, what you want to do is you want to sync the drone. So up, down. Okay, now you get the flashing lights. Now you want to calibrate the drone itself. You just take it, you just twirl it around several times this way, like that, and then this way, like this, like that. And then you'll see all the lights will just start calibrating on its own. And then you want to just, there you go. And now it's calibrating the camera, it's calibrating everything, and pretty much ready to take off at this point here. This is without the GPS. It's kind of big and beefy, and to travel with this would be kind of difficult. I mean, they did give you a big case for it, and it is quite heavy. So that's my first opinion, my first impression about this drone. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, leave down below. I'm going to make another video, and we'll see. Maybe I'll fly it. I'm not really sure yet. But I'm definitely going to open up the DJI Mini 3. That's next, so subscribe to the channel. You'll see that. Any questions or comments, let me know. And if you like this drone, let me know. Leave some comments down below if you like this Ruko F11 Pro. If you enjoy flying this drone, any issues with it, let me know. Let the community know. I'm getting more into drones, getting more into that type of technology, which is kind of cool. I always liked it, and now it's becoming more and more affordable. It's good. It's good build. There's no question about it. Good quality. It's made well. I mean, you're gonna have to take a lot of damage to break this thing, even though it's quite heavy. So just be careful of that. Let's say it says support micro USB card up to 32 gigabytes. So it has a USB. It has a micro USB card fits in the side here, so you can record on the card, and also I believe you can record to the phone 5G. As well with this. So that's what you have to do with that. Like I said, brushless mode, a 4K camera, Wi-Fi camera, the whole 9 yards. So it's cool, but big. All right, guys, that's it. All right, so I don't want to take too much more of your time. Just want to show you the quick unboxing, a little bit about this drone. It's huge, as you can see here, but it might be cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it as always. And check out these other drone videos right here. These are really kind of cool. I love all types of drones. If any questions or comments, you want to reach out to me, the information's in the bio, in the description. Take a look at that, and you can, if you have any questions at all, I'll be glad to help you. All right, guys, see you at the next one. The thing is huge, though. What do you think? All right, guys, talk to you later, and appreciate your time.